right. This is the best thing. I don't know. It's Sunday.
Yeah, we see a train.
And I don't know. And I think that's a nice one.
We're going as fast as it's going. It's going to the station. I can't believe we're driving right alongside the train right now. It's 6:30 on Sunday. Right here at Irvine Station. Pulling up.
Wow.
This is exciting. Is it stopping?
Stop it.
Oh, look at the engine. You can see it. Oh, hello. Customer Appreciation Week was in February. Oh, I see people on there. Oh, they're getting their bicycles out. Are they gonna get off? Gonna find a new seat? Oh, they're just getting on. There's actually a lot of people on there.
Other side.
Do you see all the people on there? Okay, let's go and try to get into the next spot.
That,
Where is it? Where do you think we'll see it next?
over there, everything. Behind the old bridge.
By the old bridge, we hope so, in the maze.
And
All right. I'm in the back with Leah. Whoa! Train driving! And Daddy's driving the Honda. Woohoo! Family outing. You can see the train. Oh, we might be ahead of it now. I think we're ahead of it now. We gotta turn right here.
Right turn.
Make sure we make a full stop. Oh, there it is! Oh my God, it's still there. We're right alongside it. We're still train tracking. This is amazing. At night. Train tracking! Oh, there it is. You can see it right between the buildings.
That was added on YouTube. Let's put it on YouTube now.
Wow, this is awesome. There it is. Look, 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 look.
Can we put it on YouTube?
Yes, right away. It's hard to understand that that's the train. Let's see who's going to be first. The Honda or the Metrolink. Oh, there it is. It looks like an office building, but no, it's a train.
Train. Whoa.
There it goes.
Whoa. What train tracking?
There it goes under the freeway. Whoa! What kind of noise was that? Choo choo!